I'm going to be trying out something brand new to me, not so new to everybody else, because I am definitely late on the train. I'm going to be doing a clay mask. My lips are chapped. I know. Don't try to come for me, okay? Thanks. I just never did this because honestly it seems like a lot. But it's not a lot, but it seems like a lot. See, I'm the type of natural that wants my products already made, and you know, that's why I'm a product junkie. That's why I have all these products. I don't want to make my own products, so I pay someone else to make it and put it in like Target and stuff. So that's what I do. But if you're the type of natural that doesn't do that, that's fine. Y'all smell like juices and berries and coconut oil, and y'all live y'all best life. Me, on the other hand, I don't really do this. But my hair is acting really, really weird, and I need to fix it. I don't know what's happening. My hair, it feels like it's getting like thinner. Like, I don't know. It feels like it's getting thinner, and it feels like it doesn't feel good, okay?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It just doesn't feel good, and I thought it was Eco Styler gel, and then I thought it was like protein, then I thought it whatever. This is supposed to reset your hair, so you know what I'm gonna do? This. And you know what you're gonna do? Subscribe. Thanks. Let us get into this video. So I'm gonna co-wash with that papaya and pineapple conditioner by The Main Choice. Have a whole video on that Kool-Aid collection if you wanna check it out over here or over here. Please go look at it. After you watch this whole video. Thanks, guys. I feel like not a lot of people talk about why this works, and it's because of pH. So a high pH is alkaline, it's basic, and a lower pH is acidic. So your hair itself is acidic. It's between a 4.5 and a 5.5. Varies between person to person and like your diet and stuff. And then your shampoo is usually very alkaline. It opens the cuticle, and then your conditioner is usually acidic, and it closes the cuticle back and closes in that moisture and stuff. And that's what you really do want. So I use the bentonite clay, some Bell Bar Organics hair mask, apple cider vinegar, and a growth oil, and then my melanin hair care oil. So your bentonite clay has a higher pH similar to that of shampoos. It has increases your shine, defines your hair like crazy, gets rid of toxins, increases oxygen on the scalp, which, you know, in turn helps with growth. Then I use this customizable hair mask, and I use the one with avocado, a slippery elm, and a banana, and that's supposed to help with elasticity and stuff. So I thought it would help with slip and distribution. And then I use the apple cider vinegar, which has a very acidic, so that means it's gonna have some type of a reaction with the bubbles and stuff like that. It flattens the cuticle, has a whole lot of anti-inflammatory stuff. You can just spray that on there on your scalp. Sometimes it will work wonders, and that's just me showing you the bubbles because I was like, whoa. Yeah. And I used a plastic spoon. It looks metal, but is definitely plastic, and you definitely want a glass bowl or a plastic thing or wooden or whatever. And then I'm going to use this growth oil by Main Choice. Has sweet almond, jojoba, baobab, argan, and this melanin hair oil, which has castor oil, aloe vera, vitamin D, sweet almond, a whole bunch of good things. And I'm just going to mix it all up until I get the consistency that I want, and then I'm just going to, you know, apply it to my hair. So as you can see, it went on very smooth. Definitely have to add lots of water to it. I don't recommend doing this on dry hair or not already detangled hair. This does not have a lot of slip, so it is not a actual conditioner. So I definitely recommend detangling beforehand. I co-wash, like I said earlier, and it definitely applies like I am applying some type of gel or like super thick cream that just weighs the hair down a little bit and like makes it super defined. The thinner consistency that you make the clay, the easier it is to apply and also rinse out. So my final thoughts are I will probably not let it air dry like this because I think that is why it was really difficult for me to rinse it out. It took me a good like 16 minutes to rinse it all out. But as you can see, like my hair was so defined after I rinsed it out. My hair doesn't look like this straight out the shower without product, so I was so impressed with my results and how defined my hair looked and how I felt like I didn't need to use a shampoo afterwards. And I'm a big shampoo girl, so that was kind of big for me. As you can see, I still had a little bit around my edges, so I rinsed that out when I used my deep conditioner. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment down below your recipe for your clay mask.